Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another behind the scenes of a shoot that I did using only natural light. Let's get started. This photo shoot was planned last second. I had another photo shoot planned earlier this day, but it got cancelled. But I really wanted to get a video out to you guys. So I quickly came up with a concept that was inspired by clothing that belonged to my great aunt. I really like having vintage styled clothes in my photos, so the dress and umbrella that we had on hand was perfect. If you're having trouble finding vintage clothing, a tip that I have is to ask around in your own family. You never know what you may find. The model that I'm shooting with today is my friend Cara. When we arrived to the location, it was around 5 p.m. The sun was still pretty high and the lighting was harsh, so we had to photograph mostly in the shade. For the first spot, I placed my model in an area with tall grass that was being backlit by the sun. I had my model pose in the direction where the light was coming into the shaded area. To make the posing feel more natural, I had my model use the umbrella that we brought with us. I went up the hill a little bit to get a different angle. This is a great way to get a variety of shots and different perspectives while staying in the same location. For the second spot, I had my model sit on a bench that was overlooking the river. When using natural light, it's important to utilize natural reflectors. The sun was shining onto the rocks that were down by the river, which was reflecting light back onto my model. I was having difficulty coming up with poses, so I referenced back to a few photos I had saved for inspiration. This is a great way to come up with ideas if you feel like you're stuck. For the final spot, we tried going down to the river, but as I had mentioned earlier, the spot that I wanted to shoot in was still very bright and harsh. We eventually found an area that was perfect. There was a spot where my model could sit down, and she could also dip her feet into the water, creating a reflection. I had my model walk a little bit up the path to an area where the sun was shining through the trees, creating a lot of bokeh. The sun was getting lower now, so my model was being backlit by the sun, which created some nice flaring in the photo. That's all I have for you today. Thank you to everyone involved in this shoot. If you liked this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more future behind the scenes. Everyone out there, stay safe and healthy. My name is Raphael, and I'll see you next time. Bye.